All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday, May 30th, 2026, and let's go ahead and dive into today's weather video. What we are seeing is an area of thunderstorms and severe weather actually going on out west. Have a look here. We have severe weather all the way from Texas, all the way up through western South Dakota. Let's go ahead and take a look at our region. We are seeing severe weather in western South Dakota, severe thunderstorm watch in place, and does include Rapid City. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning that is included in this as well. Oglala is in the severe thunderstorm warning. So if you're near Oglala, South Dakota, severe thunderstorm warning in place for 60-mile-per-hour winds, 1-inch hail. So quarter-sized hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Farther down to the south, we have had tornadoes in Nebraska, down near Kimball, Nebraska. There was a couple of confirmations of tornadoes. There was also a couple of tornado warnings down here in southern Nebraska, northeast Colorado. No tornado warnings as of right now. We do have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings going on here. One here north of the Oglala area, and then one southeast of Oglala, and then one southeast of McCook. So there is numerous severe thunderstorms going on here across western Nebraska, western South Dakota. This activity by this evening is going to form one big line and then move east-northeast here, kind of like this. If you notice, it's already kind of forming a broken line, and so eventually this is going to form a line and then move east-northeast here over night here. So that is going to be what we are going to be seeing tonight and into tomorrow morning. Now, real quick, wanted to go over the temperature map today. We have seen a little bit cooler temperatures with a lot of cloud cover, a lot of rain, thunderstorms out there. As a result, we are a lot cooler today than what we could have been. We are at 70 in Sioux Falls. That's actually below average for this time of the year now. 68 up in Aberdeen, 75 out in Pierre, 75 as well in Rapid City. Believe it or not, Custer, South Dakota is at 52 degrees. So we are chilly out in the Black Hills. Down in Nebraska, we are in the 70s to low 80s, 82 in North Platte, 81 in Valentine, 77 in O'Neill, and 81 in Lincoln. And into Iowa, we're at 77 in Des Moines, 82 in Waterloo, 79 in Mason City, 66 in Spencer. And so we got some rain, cool air here in northwest Iowa, southwest Minnesota. 81 in Minneapolis, 79 in Rochester, 75 in Fairmont, and 75 in Marshall. So yeah, we're seeing some rain, cooled air in some spots, but other spots, we're in the 80s. North Platte, even McCook. Look at McCook, Nebraska. We're at 90 degrees, and that's where the worst of the severe weather is expected to be. Again, central western Nebraska and then western South Dakota for the remainder of the day. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look at our weather alerts map across the region. We do have severe thunderstorm watches and a tornado watch posted. Western South Dakota, severe thunderstorm watch, and also western Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado. This tornado watch is in effect here until 9 p.m. Mountain Time, 10 p.m. Central. So this is for scattered large hail, isolated very large hail events up to 2.5 inches in diameter, scattered damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible, and a tornado or two is also possible. So that is for Rapid City, western South Dakota, and then western Nebraska, the panhandle of Nebraska. And then we have another severe thunderstorm watch here for Kansas and southern Nebraska. That includes Kearney, Grand Island, Hastings, Lexington, Nebraska here, severe thunderstorm watch posted. This is out until 10 p.m. Central for scattered damaging winds and isolated significant gusts to 80 miles per hour likely, scattered large hail up to 2.5 inches in diameter, and a tornado or two possible. And then we have the tornado watch here in central Nebraska. That includes Valentine down to North Platte, Broken Bow, McCook. Tornado watch posted here until 10 p.m. Mountain Time, 11 p.m. Central. Few tornadoes possible, scattered large hail up to 3 inches in diameter, and then significant wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour possible as well. All right, we're going to get back to our weather video in just a moment, but first, sponsorship opportunities out there. We are looking for sponsors, so if you are interested in partnering with T-Storm Chasers and becoming a sponsor with us, feel free to reach out to us on our Facebook page or any of our social platforms, as well as our email or phone number. And we're also launching our new weather call system that is available now. Highly recommend. Sign up. It's $15 for a whole year, and you get life-saving phone calls from us here at T-Storm Chasers. It is a GPS-based system, so any warnings that are issued in your area during severe weather events such as tornadoes, severe weather, and flood events, any warnings that are issued for your immediate area, you will receive a phone call within seconds from us at T-Storm Chasers, giving you guys life-saving information. If you're interested, sign up today. Go to the website at tscalert.org. Now let's get back to the video. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast models, looking at the latest HRRR short-term model run. You can see where we are seeing those thunderstorms and severe weather currently ongoing here in this area in western Nebraska, western South Dakota. As we go ahead and play this out, we are going to be seeing a line here that is going to be forming this evening out west, and then it's going to move in an east-northeasterly direction as we go throughout the rest of the day today into tomorrow morning. So overnight tonight, you guys need to be weather aware, need to have a safety plan in place. If you're caught underneath these storms, if you're under a warning or a watch, we need to be weather aware this evening and tonight. And, a lot of this is going to be happening at night. It's going to be dark. You're not going to be able to see much of anything. And you want to make sure you have a weather radio or our new weather call system. So this is what we're looking at for the remainder of the day today into tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to see that line move through the Sioux Falls area eventually here in eastern South Dakota, western Minnesota, western Iowa, eastern Nebraska. This activity, by the time it reaches this area of the region, is going to be below severe limits. So we're not expecting any severe weather by tomorrow morning. All of it should weaken. And then we'll get a break in the action tomorrow before more redevelopment of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon across our northern plains region. And scattered thunderstorms tomorrow could be on the strong side as well. So be sure to be weather aware for your Sunday as well. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the severe weather outlook maps now from the Storm Prediction Center. We do have a level 3 out of 5 actually down in Kansas, believe it or not. So if you got any folks down in that direction, or if you live in those areas, be sure to be weather aware. That's the strongest area of severe weather. But for our region, we are seeing that slight risk in yellow for central and western Nebraska and western South Dakota. Slight risk level 2 out of 5 there in yellow. That includes Rapid City, western South Dakota, the Black Hills as well, and then Nebraska again, Chadron, Scottsbluff, North Platte, Valentine, Grand Island, all included. And then we have the marginal risk in green, dark green, and includes Pierre and the surrounding areas of this risk. And then the tornado risk is there mainly for Nebraska, but the 2% does go into Rapid City and western South Dakota. But the main tornado risk is down here in southern Nebraska. We have the 5% there in brown, and then we have the hatched risk, and that is going to be the highest area of tornado potential. And then we have a hail risk there, 15% in yellow, and then we have the hatched risk. The SIG 1 for southern Nebraska includes Sidney, North Platte areas, McCook, and then down into Kansas. And then the wind probability is highest in southern Nebraska as well. We do have that 15% in yellow. That includes Rapid City, western South Dakota. But then we have the SIG 1 outlook and the hatched risk for Sidney and North Platte and McCook, Nebraska. So those areas are going to be your highest severe weather potential for the remainder of the day today. Then for tomorrow, we see a marginal risk level 1 out of 5 there in dark green. This covers eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, South Dakota, southwest Minnesota as well. Pierre, Aberdeen, Sioux Falls, Sioux City, Omaha, Des Moines, all included in the marginal risk for tomorrow. So another shot of severe weather for your Sunday. And then no tornado risk for tomorrow. It's going to be strictly hail and wind. And then on Monday, we are seeing another risk for severe weather. Slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for extreme southern Nebraska near McCook, Nebraska. And then we have a marginal risk in green, eastern Nebraska, Iowa, and southern Minnesota. We are looking at Des Moines, Omaha, and Fairmont, those areas under the gun on Monday. All right, so let's run through the 10 days. For the Sioux Falls area, we are seeing 70s today and tomorrow with those chances for showers and thunderstorms. And then next week, hovering in the low 80s, and watching the middle part of next week, maybe another shot of some thunderstorms. Overnight lows in the upper 50s to low 60s for Sioux Falls. And then for the Aberdeen area, as we run through the rest of these 10 days, we are seeing 80 degrees tomorrow, and then 78 on Monday with some sun. And then by the middle part of next week, we are looking at showers and thunderstorms upper 70s to low 80s for high temperatures. And then through the rest of that, by the end of that 10-day, we're going to start to warm things up a little bit into the mid 80s. Overnight lows in the 50s to low 60s. For the Pierre area, we are seeing thunderstorms tonight, and then we're going to be seeing low 80s tomorrow, and then upper 70s on Monday, and then 80s the rest of the 10-day. Wednesday of next week, we could see potential for thunderstorms, and then otherwise upper 50s to low 60s for overnight lows. And then for the Rapid City area, it's going to cool down tomorrow. Look at that, 69 tomorrow, thunderstorms, and then 74 on Monday. We get a little bit of a break, maybe some thunderstorms on Tuesday. Temperatures upper 70s into the 80s next week, and overnight lows in the 50s to low 60s. So that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Again, main talking point is the severe weather. We want you guys to be weather aware and having a safety plan in place. We have our weather call system, so be sure to sign up for that. And so if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, spread the word, share this video to as many people as you can. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a comment down below, let us know your thoughts, and also ring those notification bells so you don't miss any of our future videos. Check us out also on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. We post frequently on that, so be sure to check out our content over there. And if you enjoyed, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.